Welcome to TV Repair Made Easy, brought to you by ShopJimmy.com. Visit www.shopjimmy.com to search the hundreds of thousands of TV parts in our inventory. Please make sure that your TV is unplugged and that you are protected from static electricity. There are various ways to eliminate static electricity, but the most common way is to use a grounding wrist strap. Take photos and notes often to help remember the location and orientation of parts and wires. And feel free to pause and backtrack through this tutorial as much as needed. To be best prepared for your board replacement, you will need the following materials: a pair of latex gloves, your ShopJimmy.com replacement part, a pair of needle nose pliers, both a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and a cup to hold all screws, clips, and any other small items. So let's get to it, shall we? Locate your TV's identification label and take note of the brand name, model number, serial number, and model code if present. Unscrew and remove the back cover. The main board typically manages your accessory inputs and outputs and houses the TV tuner. This main board is located on the right side of the chassis. The main board is connected to the T-Con board via the LVDS cable. Carefully unplug all wires by hand. Unlock the wire connectors by squeezing the tab or tabs and gently remove the wires. Be sure to keep a firm grip with both hands. Please note that the LVDS cable is quite fragile. 2 hands may be required to release and remove the connector. Unscrew and gently remove the board from the chassis. Search your TV model number on ShopJimmy.com to find a compatible replacement. Filter your search results by the appropriate part type. Click on the search results to view important product specifications. ShopJimmy offers a 180-day warranty on all circuit boards and free 2-day shipping for all US customers. Insert all screws to secure your ShopJimmy replacement board to the chassis. Reconnect all cables. Return the back cover to its original position and secure all screws. This ShopJimmy replacement board does not require any manual configurations in order to function. Simply plug in and power on, and your TV will function as if new. Thank you for watching one of our many tutorials here at ShopJimmy.com. If you have any further questions regarding your repair, simply post a question in the comments section below or call our award-winning customer service team at the number on your screen. We strive to learn and share new TV repair tips every day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and grow with us. Share our videos with your friends and help us spread the savings. And don't forget to hit that like button